Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to go in great detail and talk about a very interesting project. It's called Paradox Meta. Now, Paradox Meta is the future of NFT play to earn games. The metaverse is a digital realm of possibility that connects the world and its creation. Now, if you're interested in the NFT world, if you're interested in the crypto industry, if you're interested in what is happening, this is the right project for you to look at, because this gives you a complete breakdown of what is going to happen in the future. Obviously, as we know, as the market is moving towards growing into becoming one of the biggest industry in the future, we need to understand how we can actually position ourselves to ensure that we can take and have a competitive advantage. And that is where my videos come. If you want to have a regular up-to-date information about the NFTs and the crypto and play to earn games, this is the channel for you to subscribe to. So if you've not subscribed to it, subscribe to it right away. To enter the metaverse Paradox, you have to have the play to earn games, the NFTs, and the gamings as well. Now, this is how the world is going to change, because this project literally is bringing the elements to you, because this is creating a metaverse that is very unique where you can actually use your NFTs. Now, everything starts with somewhere, and that is where the blueprint comes over here. And this is what their roadmap actually looks like. Now, if you look at the major names in the industry, either it be Luna or Bored Ape Yacht Clubs, Meta Avatars, or any of these projects that are available, the one thing that they have in common is their roadmap, because their roadmap is very unique. I've done a lot of reviews of different NFT games and play to earn games and projects, and whenever a project has a weak roadmap, they're unable to make it successful. So the roadmap is literally the common denominator that you need to look at between successful projects. Now, I like the way the Paradox Meta has done a wonderful job in actually giving a complete breakdown of exactly what's happening with the Paradox Metaverse game launch, with a central exchange listing, with the Para pre-sale, with the minting periods, with the beta testing stages, and the Paradox Studio designed and developed game concept. You can look at the full blueprint and the white paper clicking over here, and obviously once we do that, you'll be taken to the next page over here. You will have a complete breakdown from the intro, the roadmap, the team, and obviously this is one of the things that you need to look at. And I personally believe the white paper gives you a complete understanding of what they want to actually do and how they're going about doing it, because this is a complete metaverse. They have different NFTs available as well, and their economy is well established and they understand what they want to do. The thing that I want to show you is the team itself. The team is very interesting, from the founders, from the lead developers, the project managers, the Web3 contract developers, the creative directors, and obviously every single individual that is involved in this particular project, because they understand exactly what they're doing and how they're going about doing it. Because once you have individuals that have decades of experience under their belt, they're the individuals that can actually create a project that is going to create disturbance in the NFT space, in the metaverse space. And Paradox has done a wonderful job when it comes to it. The plot and the game basis is very interesting, because there are 7 different types of Paradox, and the setting of the Paradox City is a utopia that's built by Kane the architect, and he achieved this with a singularity drive that he drove by betraying Dexter on their last mission. Now, the main element over here is the fact that Dexter is trying to bring down his former ally Kane and exact his revenge. The other significant characters can be played by users and utilized in different ways, as each has a different utilities, and details can actually be found over here, where they have 7 different types of Paradoxans. The Dexter is the ape. This is the main characters, head of the Rascals gang, and the majority of the NFTs distributed will be this iteration. With the Billy the ape, that is the one who's going to be in his teen years, in the right hand of Dexter. So the playable characters that they've done is Dexter, Billy, Kane, Darwin, PC, BD, Orisis, and Samurai Robot. Now, the Utopia gives users free will to explore and do what they want in exchange in the missions and follow the story or capitalize the community within the game. And the vision that I feel they've done a wonderful job in bringing, because they give you a complete breakdown and understanding of what they want to achieve. Their collective vision is to create an open world game where players are their NFTs within the metaverse that is the Paradox City, and can do things not possible in the real world, making dreams and reality, shaping the game by doing missions that pertain to their character roles and abilities, and interacting with players in a social setting. The team is committed to making the best gaming experience for their users, and this is where the market research comes. And obviously, once you actually look at individuals or a project or a team of people that have come together with a real aim, that is a project that has the potential to make it massive in the industry. That is a project that is scalable. That is a project that is successful. That is a project that understands what is needed in the NFT and metaverse space, and that's what they're bringing in. And Paradox has done an amazing job when it comes to market research, because they have looked at the competition, they have understood what the competition is doing, and combining all those elements together, they're able to bring an element that is truly unique. Now, coming back to the actual actual project, you'll be able to see all the individuals that are available that are doing this particular project and developing it. Now, these are the NFTs, the Billy, the Darwins, the Anto, the Dexter, the AIPD that are available in the game. And the utilities and benefits are endless. And this is where the real element comes in. Once you're looking at an NFT project, once you're looking at a particular project to invest in, you got to look at the benefits and utility that it's going to bring to you. And I love the fact that they've done an amazing job in bringing the different utilities that will actually help and give you a return on your investment, which is very unique, because there's a lot of projects over there that just give you an NFT that doesn't really do anything. You get involved with a project that doesn't give you feedback, that doesn't give you an ability to earn on your investment. But Paradox is a project that understands that. This is a particular project that is based in Northampton in England. And obviously, once you have individuals that are based in a particular place, that they have their addresses in Paradox Studio Limited, 57 Tenter Road, Northampton. So you know that they're an actual business that is located in a physical location that you can visit, that you can check out. You can see for yourself exactly what they're doing. So the Paradox Metaverse is a very unique place. And combining all of these elements together, they're able to develop a very unique project. From every single individuals that have developed this, I personally feel that you can Google them, you can find them on LinkedIn, you can find them on social media, and you can see for yourself these are individuals that have a ton of experiences under their belt. And bringing all that experience together, they're able to create something that is truly very unique. With their strategic advisory board, you can find the LinkedIn of Adam, of Hussein, and obviously more individuals that are being added to it. So they actually have a mind and advisory board behind that's doing the research, that are advising them, that have the experience, and they have a team that is executing it based on that market research. And once they combine all those elements together in partnership with Chain Links, with CoinStore, with Creative Greed, they're able to create something that's very unique. They also have collaboration brands such as Arsenal, Hyundai, Nike, Harry Potter, Fortnite, Sony, Star Wars. These are huge names in the industry, and mainly they're powered by the Unreal Engine. So you can clearly see they've done their research, they've developed a proper element in which they can bring something that is truly unique to the industry. And that is one of the reasons why I always mention in my videos that if you have not joined their Discord, join their Discord to make sure that you get up-to-date information from their Discord, from the horse's mouth, and you do not rely on the gossips that are available on the internet. Other than that, if you want up-to-date information, you can always come over to my channel. You can speak to me directly. My WhatsApp number is available in the About Us section of my channel. I also have a WhatsApp group where I continuously give up-to-date information about good projects worth investing in, and also highlight projects that you need to stay away from. Their social media channels are available on Instagram, on Telegram, on TikTok, on Discord, also on Twitter. So I would highly suggest for you to follow every single one of those social media accounts to ensure that you're always up to date with what is happening in the industry, what is happening with Paradox Meta, what they're doing and how they're doing it. And obviously you can mint the NFTs, you can claim the coin. So there are all these elements where you can go to contact us and actually get in touch with the individuals at Paradox Meta. You can put your name, your email, your contact information, your message. You're a business or a consumer, you can have your contact, you can call them as well, you can email them, you can visit them as well. So clearly this is a project that is not made in a small room in a very obscure place. This is a proper organization that has aims, that has objectives, that has a business location and address where you can go physically meet them, you can visit them, you can speak to them, you can contact them, you can get their 2 cents on what they plan to do and how they plan to do it. And that is the most crucial thing that you need to have before you invest in any project or any NFT or any play to earn game. So guys, if you have any questions whatsoever regarding this project or any other project, you can always comment in the comment section below on my channel, The Educational Network. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to it so you do not miss any of the videos that I'm making. Share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media so more people can find out about how amazing different projects are and what projects to get involved with, what projects to invest. But remember guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing and never invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, stay tuned for my next video. Until then, take care.